pay. We want equal pay. We want equal pay.
We want equal pay.
We want this year.
We want this year.
We want this financial year.
Without equal pay,
no class.
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 Teachers of humanities,
we matter.
Teachers of humanities,
we matter.
Without equal pay,
no class.
Let the government listen.
We want our salaries increased for a better service delivery in this country.
Without equal pay, no class. Either now or never. No retreat.
We want equal pay. This financial year 2025-26.
We got same market.
The government should improvise. The government should look for supplementary and enhance our salaries. As simple as that. Without that, no class.
Without that,
no class.
Without 4 million, this
no class.
Without 2.2 for diploma,
no class.
Without 6.5 for head teacher,
no class.
Without 4.5 for deputy head teacher,
no class.
We want equal pay.
We want it now.
Thank you.
No equal pay.
Central Region has spoken.
We want money. We want money.
They need money.
Fenga Central Region 1 omukwa abakulu mukino amukana mweno group ya Central Region tugamba eche tukola kino kiri mu mateeka waliko abakulu aba government ba RDC ba disso abatutiisa so tubagamba kino kye tukola kiri mu mateeka esemateeka yaffe ya 1995 etuwa eddembe y'okulaga obutale bumativu ku government olw'ensasula mbi. Labor Unions Act of 2006 naye tuwa eddembe okulaga obutale bumativu ku government olw'embeera gye tukoleramu ffe ng'abasomesa ba humanities olw'emisaala emitono etasobola kutuyamba ne tufuna naffe ne tweyagala mu ggwanga lyaffe. So tusigala nga twagala mutuwe eddembe mwena abatukuya abali mu gavumenti mutuleke tubalage obutali bumativu bwaffe. Rogers Bulejeya is my name. Teachers.
Olwokuna tuddayo kubanga twabasaba tuleme kuyimirira ku magulu gaffe tusalewo nga tetwebuuzizza abantu bano abaatutuma. Abantu bangi nnyo abaatutuma ensonga zaabwe tetwagala kulya bigambo byaffe. Era olwokuna twakkiriziganya nti bwe tunaamala okwebuuza tuddeyo tubagambe nti kino bannayuganda kye baagala. Mukiwulira? So olwokuna tuzaayo ensonga ezivudde mu regions zonna mu ggwanga wano. Era eddoboozi liririmu twagala miliyoni 4 omusomesa wa giti twagala obukadde 6 head teacher wa secondary twagala obukadde 2.2 diploma n'akakadde 1.2 aba support staff.
On Thursday in English, the resolution.
Basomesa bannaffe abatulaba naddala mmwe aba humanities abali eyo essaawa eno fenga Central Region tutuusa obubaka eri buli omu musomesa ali eyo nti okusinziira ku bye tusazeewo today tusazeewo tusigale eka okutuusa gavumenti ng'etwongeza omusaala mu financial year eno yennyini. Gavumenti etugamba egenda twongeza omusaala mu financial year eya 2026-2027 kyetuganye fenga Central Region. Ekirala etugamba tuwa percentage ya 25 netugamba it's not fair. Bwe babanga bannaffe abalala bo babongeza nga tebiriiko bya percentage lwaki ffe bebongeza mu percentages. Tugamba fenga Central Region twagala ssente bazituwe mu financial year eno. Ekirala kye batugambye nti bagenda tuwa 50% increment then tugende financial years endala bbiri nga batuwa 25. Central Region eno gye mulaba wano ekiganye era tukubiza abasomesa mwenna musigaleyo ewammwe ewaka paka gavumenti ng'ekoze okusaba kw'abannayuganda naddala abasomesa. Abatutiisatiisa please ba head teachers ba DRCs ba diso ba iso bonna abo please kyetuliko kya ggwanga lyonna ate naawe atutiisatiisa ogenda kufunamu bw'obanga oli eyo head teacher otutiisatiisa tulwanirira gwe ofune ssente ezo baleme abasoma baleme kuyisaamu maaso nga oli head teacher kyokka nga ate b'okozesa bakusinga ssente. Tugamba please leka abasomesa basigaleyo ewaka, gavumenti etuwuliriza. Ate gavumenti tumanyi ewuliriza, egenda tuddamu, tugenda kuddamu tugimiitinga olwokuna, tugiwe ensonga z'abantu bano bonna ne mu regions endala zonna. Eddoboozi lyaffe liririmu, twagala ssente mu financial ya eno yennyini awatali kwesalamu. Ate n'abazadde nabo bakiwagira. Good morning, viewers. Chironde William, the chairperson, Central Region. We've gathered today to express our dissatisfaction that given the meeting we had with the line ministries and the assignment they told us to conduct today as Central Region, all these members here, they are saying that they need equal pay in this financial year 2025-2026. Without that, we are not going back to class. Teachers of humanities will matter. And we are saying, please, the government, these people have been patient enough. They have been promised so many years ago, and they are saying they are not eating commitments. They want equal pay. Without equal pay, we are not going back to class. As simple as that. Thank you very much.
But you yes. With the Minister of Education and Sports, we're told that you agreed on money. Is that true? No. The ministry, the line ministries we met, they gave us two options. One of the option was that they are willing to enhance our salary, not this financial year, which we rejected. They are telling us that they are enhancing our salary next financial year. And the worst bit of it, they are telling us that they are giving us in phases, which is 25, 25, 25 in the 4 years financial year, which is really not very, very good. And these people, they have denied that option. They are willing to be, they want to be enhanced their salary this financial year, not in phases. The fact that other people whose salary were enhanced, it was not done in phases. Why we teachers? Why arts teachers? Why teachers of humanities? So we are saying our money should be given at once. We are not willing to be enhanced in phases. Two, they told us if we are to enhance our salary, they are giving us 50%, then 25 in the other financial years, 25 there, which we have also rejected as a Central Region. Therefore, we want equal pay this financial year. Without that, we are not going back to class. Teachers of humanities, we matter.
No salary increment, no class.
We cannot call off the industrial action now until our concerns have been answered. As simple as that. We are still at home until further notice.
So on Thursday, what are you going back to do?
On Thursday, we are saying we want to present our issues like the way they told us, the concerns of these people you see here, and even in other regions. That this is the voice of the people, not we. For us, we are just mouthpiece. We are presenting on Thursday what all of these people have decided.
Yes. Threats and intimidation from the government officials, the RDCs there, and DISOs, plus a few head teachers that are betraying our cause, and yet they are among the beneficiaries of this cause. We want to say that our industrial action as humanities teachers, it is legal, it is constitutional. The 1995 Constitution, Article 40, subsection 3C, gives us the freedom to partake in this cause. Also, the Labor Unions Act of 2006 also gives us the freedom and the liberty to engage in industrial action. So what we are doing is legal, is backed by the laws. So we as the humanities teachers were showing our dissatisfaction and discontent to the government in a legal procedure prescribed under the Uganda Constitution. Thank you. Financial year 2025-2026.
Yes.
We are not retreating. 4 million at the GT scale, 2.2 at the diploma scale, 6.5 at the head teacher with a background of humanities, 300%. Thank you. Teachers should continue staying home until there is enhancement of our salaries. Rogers Bulejeya is my name. Thank you.
With that resolution, My name is Ahesibe John Chrysostom from Baagala SS. When you calculate that figure that we have been given, even after 3-4 years, we shall not reach the other people's what? Figure. Meaning that for us, we are not considered at all in any way. Therefore, I insist with the colleagues, let it be 300% so that we reach the other people's level. And this year, not next year. Because even if we say next year, they go as by their whatever they are saying, we shall never be at the level of the other people.
So your stand is 300% increment?
This year.
That will talk up? Okay.
This year, not next year.
Okay.
Our representative at the next, by names of Joseph Cheune Muyanja, a teacher at Old Kampala Senior Secondary School. I want to thank you so much for standing your ground, because for the time I've been mature enough to observe what goes on in this country, I have realized that many people change their positions when they reach State House. I want to congratulate you upon reaching there, and you still retained your brains. Now, in as far as the increment we are demanding is concerned, I have been privileged enough to read through the Constitution, and I find the Article 40, which talks of equality of all workers, and that article presupposes that people who do the same work with the same qualifications should be paid the same amount. It doesn't augur well with us as teachers of humanities to take a peanut of 800,000 and our colleagues take 2.85 a net every month. And recently I looked at the pay slips of our school, and I realized that my head teacher, who is from the arts section, earns a net of 1.7, but his deputy, who is a science teacher, gets 3.3 as a salary. That kind of situation should even have ended yesterday. So when you go back, tell those leaders of ours, leaders of this country, who are actually currently having the privilege to lead this country, I hope they'll not lead it for eternity. Tell them that as teachers, yes, we need to be respected as all teachers. We do not want apartheid in the education sector, because what they are doing is apartheid in the education sector, segregating arts teachers against science teachers. So tell them that for many times they have announced they have made supplementary budgets in Parliament. Even this time they can initiate a supplementary budget. They can initiate a supplementary budget. If the president so wishes, he can even initiate it tomorrow, and he has the majority in Parliament. I think he can make it go through within a day, and then we shall be comfortable. Maybe one other thing. The president, I think he was not in that meeting, but he ought to retract the derogatory statements that he always makes against our subjects, calling them useless subjects and referring to us as useless teachers. I will need to maybe interface with him, and he lectures me which subjects he did. And if he did art subjects, I do not want to insinuate that maybe he also falls in the category of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You had to be humble and listen. So our fight is not for that increment of 100%, but maybe 300 and something percent to reach 4 million. Our colleagues in the schools are taking us for granted. Indeed, as you said, they are saying it is a bad timing, that we would have done it earlier, so that maybe the budget fund is already prepared. But to me, and maybe on behalf of myself and other colleagues, we are saying, no, we want 4 million, which is maybe 300 and something percent. We are standing on it, and we shall remain firm, standing on the 4 million shillings. Thank you so much. Rubahimbi Innocent is my name. St. James SS Gaba. Yes. Rubahimbi Innocent is my name. St. James SS Gaba. We are standing on the 4 million shillings. We really need this financial year. We are tired of promises, empty promises. This very financial year, we are saying we want 4 million to get out to our colleagues.
No money. No class.
Up to 300%.